What's up, crypto crew, and welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. Kicking things off with a massive surge for Bitcoin Cash. This crypto offshoot has just rocketed up by 7%, hitting nearly $650, a level we haven't seen since April 2024. After a period of serious doubt, BCH is proving the doubters wrong in a big way. This rally is happening faster than you can say, hodl. Next up, something truly bizarre and attention-grabbing. A 12-foot golden statue of none other than President Donald Trump, complete with a Bitcoin emblem, has mysteriously appeared right outside the U.S. Capitol building. Unveiled just hours before a major Federal Reserve announcement, this statue is turning heads and sparking major speculation. What does it mean? Who put it there? We dive in. Now, let's talk institutional power moves. OTC Markets Group is rolling out the red carpet for Bitcoin Treasury Corporation, welcoming them to the prestigious OTCQX Best Market. This Canadian company is all about institutional-grade Bitcoin services, and their listing means big things for how institutions can access and engage with Bitcoin. This is a huge step for mainstream adoption. And finally, the landscape is shifting beneath our feet. Bitcoin dominance is falling, and investors are pivoting hard towards altcoins. We're seeing massive inflows into projects like Ethereum and a broader trend of diversification beyond just Bitcoin. Could this be the start of a massive altcoin season? Stick around to find out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Bitcoin Cash blasts off. Get ready, because Bitcoin Cash, the offshoot of the original Bitcoin, has just staged an incredible comeback, rallying a stunning 7% in the last 24 hours to hit nearly $650. This is the highest valuation we've seen for BCH since April of 2024, proving that even after a period of intense bearish sentiment, this token can roar back to life. Data from Sentiment suggests that this surge is a classic case of buying when the crowd is fearful, a strategy that continues to pay dividends in the volatile crypto markets. This isn't just a BCH phenomenon. It aligns with a broader risk-on sentiment sweeping the market, boosted by recent Fed rate cuts and expectations of continued liquidity easing. Adding fuel to the fire is the SEC's approval of generic listing standards for commodity and crypto ETFs, paving the way for more products and potentially more inflows. This breakout confirms a bullish trend that started 2 months ago, suggesting that selling pressure has been absorbed and the path is clear for further gains, with the next key resistance at $719. The market is buzzing, and BCH is leading the charge. But hold on, because the crypto world isn't just about price charts and rallies. We've got a truly unexpected sight that's got everyone talking. Next up, a bizarre spectacle appears at the heart of American finance. Trump's statue with Bitcoin shocks Capitol Hill. In a move that has sent shockwaves through Washington, D.C., a colossal 12-foot golden statue of former President Donald Trump, complete with a prominent Bitcoin emblem, has been erected just outside the U.S. Capitol. This eye-catching and frankly surreal display appeared mysteriously, timed to coincide with the Federal Reserve's highly anticipated interest rate decision. While the origins and purpose of the statue remain shrouded in mystery, its placement at such a pivotal location and during a critical economic announcement has ignited a firestorm of speculation. Is this a political statement, a commentary on the intersection of cryptocurrency and power, or simply an elaborate stunt? The statue's presence is a bold statement in itself, drawing immediate attention to the growing influence and visibility of Bitcoin in mainstream discourse. The timing is particularly intriguing, as it coincides with ongoing discussions about digital assets and their role in the broader economy. It's a visual metaphor that captures the current zeitgeist, blending political figures with the surging world of cryptocurrency. This visual spectacle is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to unusual developments in the crypto space. Prepare yourself for some big news on the institutional front. Institutional Bitcoin services get a major boost. Big news for the institutional side of crypto, as OTC Markets Group proudly announces that Bitcoin Treasury Corporation has officially qualified and begun trading on the prestigious OTCQX Best Market. This Canadian company is a specialist in providing institutional-grade Bitcoin services, and their listing on OTCQX a market known for its stringent financial standards and high-quality companies, is a significant milestone. It signifies a growing trust and accessibility for institutional investors looking to engage with Bitcoin. Bitcoin Treasury Corporation's strategy of building shareholder value through the strategic accumulation and active deployment of Bitcoin, while maintaining a robust treasury position, is now more visible than ever to a wider U.S. investor base. This move by OTC Markets Group is a clear indicator that the infrastructure for institutional adoption of digital assets is rapidly maturing, making it easier for major players to enter the market with confidence. This institutional push is certainly making waves, but it's also happening alongside a massive shift in investor strategy. Get ready to see where the money is flowing next. Altcoin season incoming, investors pivot from Bitcoin. We're witnessing a significant shift in the crypto investment landscape. After a period where Bitcoin dominated capital inflows, its dominance is now falling below 58%, and investors, particularly institutions, are pivoting hard towards altcoins. A staggering 73% of institutional investors are now holding or allocating capital into these alternative digital assets, signaling a clear trend towards diversification. This move is heavily influenced by interest rate fluctuations. Lower rates are fueling a greater appetite for risk, with altcoins often outperforming Bitcoin as higher beta assets during easing cycles. The altcoin market share has jumped significantly, and major inflows into Ethereum ETFs, totaling $3 billion in a single week, underscore this growing momentum. With global liquidity expanding, more capital is available, and historically, it rotates into altcoins that can deliver much higher returns. Sectors like DeFi and stablecoins are already showing impressive year-to-date gains, far surpassing Bitcoin's performance. This isn't just a fleeting trend. It's a sign of the market's maturation, with institutions no longer solely focused on Bitcoin, but actively exploring and investing in a wider range of crypto verticals. Rising decentralized exchange, DEX, volumes and increased activity in DeFi protocols, like lending and liquid staking, further confirm this strategic pivot. If this trend continues, altcoins might soon be viewed not just as alternatives, but as core components of diversified crypto portfolios, reshaping the future of digital asset investment. This exciting altcoin surge is just one part of the incredible crypto story unfolding right now. But before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the biggest headlines. All right, crypto fam, let's do a lightning round recap. Bitcoin Cash has surged to its highest level since April. A mysterious 12-foot Trump statue holding Bitcoin appeared at the U.S. Capitol. Bitcoin Treasury Corporation is now trading on the OTCQX Best Market, boosting institutional access. And investors are massively pivoting towards altcoins as Bitcoin dominance wanes. That's your Bitcoin Bulletin for today. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more daily crypto insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social media platforms and let us know in the comments which story you found most shocking. We'll see you in the next one.